The higher they could separate, your tiefe self we can't escape. Your faithfulness and endless peace, so full of grace and mercy. We see God is so